If you're thinking about learning about computers and programming, such as Python, then why not try and take a course? We've created a course that's simple, easy to understand, and suitable for beginners. Now in America, to prepare for university, students take an advanced placement course, such as the AP Computer Science Principles course. Now we've written a course on Udemy based on this Computer Science Principles course. If you're interested, use the link in the description. Watch to the end of this video because we have a special offer, which means that you could take this course for free. We're just going to briefly go over some course basics, then show the course trailer, and then finish with the special offer. The course explains the principles of computer science, and it's designed for international students, meaning the material is very easy to understand. So the language used is very simple, and we have transcripts and subtitles to help you if you need them. So we go through the basics of how a computer works and how the internet works, and also how we use digital media. As well as the computer science principles, we also introduce Python. So this is a very simple introduction to learning the Python programming language. So this also follows the computer science principles course, but includes exercises for you to practice with the solutions. So if you're interested in computers and want to learn Python, you don't need to be on the American Computer Science Principles course, but if you are on that course, this will help you. So this course is for anyone who's interested in learning about computers and the basics of programming. Now we're going to move on to the course trailer. If you're interested in learning the principles of computer science, including programming, it's great. This course is for you. Hi, my name's Dr Codie. I'm a computer scientist with decades of experience teaching at university. I specialise in teaching international students. This course follows the syllabus of the AP Computer Science Principles course and is suitable for beginners. Now when you learn about computers, it can seem a bit confusing, so we have designed this course to be simple to understand. Now an important part of computer science is programming. We believe that if you want to learn about programming, you have to practice. You actually have to learn how to code yourself rather than just watching videos. So we've included a whole section on learning the Python programming language. We've included exercises so you can practice your programming and truly learn the programming concepts. Once you understand these will be easier if you're asked questions in the Computer Science Principles exam, for example. The goal of this course is to help you understand the principles of computer science, and that includes programming. What's in this course? Well, the first part is dedicated to learning the Python programming language. So it's a good introduction to learn how to code, and it sticks to the syllabus of the Computer Science Principles course. The second part of this course looks at the principles of computer science. Now that includes digital information, how computers work, networks such as the internet, programming concepts and logic and algorithms, data analysis, data security, and other computing areas. If you're motivated, we believe that you have the ability to complete this course and gain a good understanding of computer science. So when you complete this course, be proud of yourself for achieving this goal of gaining knowledge and skills, and enjoy yourself on the journey of being a successful student. I've been fortunate to help thousands of students in many areas of computing, including programming. So I'm very confident that in this course I can help you be successful. Good luck. If you want to try this course, you can access the course using the link in the description. Now, with Udemy, there's often many offers, so be careful when you try to look at the course. Most of the time, there'll be an offer, but you might need to wait. Sometimes there's offers and sometimes not. Now, we have our own offer. You can access this course for free. We have a limited amount of coupons every month. But if you send an email to me, drcodie@gmail.com, we'll put you on the list to get the coupon and you can access this course. You have lifetime access and you can access the course for free. So remember that there's a limited amount, so first come, first serve. Okay, if you like this video, click the like, and if you haven't already, subscribe and you'll be notified when the videos are released.